Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a new Tesla video. Again, I am still sick. Even the weekend didn't help my voice and everything recover. I want to make this video relatively quick and just give you guys exactly what you need to know as fast as possible. So, ending the day off today, Tesla only down 1.47%. It was down like I think 8 or 9 even percent at some point. Went all the way down to like 850, which is just obscene. Like the day today was an absolutely just insane, absolutely wild day. Like what a what a roller coaster. It's so funny. I ended up buying one share today in the 800s. That's all I had money left for, one share. So, hey, I got a share in the 800s, so I'm happy about that. But anyway, excuse me. So essentially what happened was we had a massive reversal. Tesla still has to fill this gap over here that exists at 943. That's the first thing that you want to watch for. How does it react to this 940-ish level, including the gap? There is some resistance there now as well. So this is going to be very important to see how we do. And that's essentially the main thing I'm watching for coming up. Now, the one thing that's bullish is the fact that, again, all the indices like SPY and QQQ, they all had an insane recovery. And pretty much everything in the market, I feel like, has a hammer doji, which essentially is extremely bullish. And what that means is, well, not everything, but most things have a hammer doji. And then what that means is that it literally looks exactly what it sounds like. It's a hammer doji. It looks like a very long kind of wick like this. And a very small wick above it, if any at all, but the smaller the better. This is pretty small, so I'm happy with that. Same with like SPY, QQQ, right? They're all, you can see minimal wicks, which is good. And it essentially just shows a massive reversal, massive like bullish reversal, because all of this selling pressure got bought up, and we also closed above where we opened, and it essentially maintained it. So it's an extremely bullish reversal. So I'm like extremely confident. Not 100%, again, not financial advice, make your own decisions, but I'm extremely confident tomorrow will be a green day overall. But I wouldn't say we're out of the woods yet. So keep that in mind, guys. I would not be surprised if, maybe late tomorrow or Wednesday, we have maybe like one more push down, like maybe even lower. Honestly, I'm not really sure, like slightly lower, but I wouldn't say it's much lower. But I wouldn't be surprised if we revisit like this 840 area, for instance. Like again, I'm not saying it'll happen, but just don't be absolutely like shocked if it does happen. This could easily be a bull trap. Again, I'm still expecting green tomorrow, but it wouldn't be a bad idea, in my opinion, not financial advice, to maybe get a little bit of hedging action going tomorrow, just in case, because, there have been a lot of bull traps lately. The Fed is still speaking on Wednesday. That'll truly determine, what's going to happen in this market, in my opinion. But either way, insanely, like, this is exactly what you want to see. Strong open into a weak close is bad. That's like bear territory. Weak open into a strong close, which was like the definition of what we had today. The definition, like as textbook as it gets, man. Like this is like, if you were to look at like a finance, I don't know, textbook, encyclopedia or whatever, and look up what a reversal looks like into like bullish momentum and a hammer doji, man, today was like just, that was it, man. Today was just perfect example of it. But again, I still wouldn't say we're completely out of the woodworks yet. There still could be some more downside ahead. So just in case, be ready with that. If you want to hedge, make sure you hedge a little bit, in my opinion, not financial advice. Again, just in case. But all in all, I'm definitely going to be watching how Tesla reacts to this gap fill at 943. And we'll go from there. Again, we have earnings coming up in like 2 days now. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm sick. So that's essentially what I have to say for that, guys. Overall, great close to the day. Very bullish. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So I'm very happy about that. Quick updates in the news. Tesla launches a magic dock in Q3 of this year. It's going to be a built-in adapter that allows third-party access at select Supercharger locations. So essentially non-Teslas can charge at Superchargers, which they were opening, of course. This is actually good. I just hope they do it after they build more Superchargers, because even here in Toronto, like, dude, these superchargers are starting to get congested, especially during like peak hours. Like they're getting pretty congested. So they need to build more superchargers if they're going to open this up to other EVs as well, which, I mean, they will, but I hope they do it sooner than later, I guess, is my point. So that's pretty cool. But this is great for Tesla, because this is going to be like a Trojan horse, and it's going to be just literally free money, free revenue for all the other EVs charging at superchargers, which they will, because it's just better. And then the final thing is, interesting video of the Cybertruck came out today. Check this out. Like some prototype came out, like walking around it and everything, kind of showing it off. Ooh, man, the Cybertruck is just, what a gorgeous car. I love it. There's just nothing else like it on the road. It's just so cool. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I want to end the video. I don't want to talk too much. Just giving you a quick update on that and what to expect for Tesla. Again, extremely bullish close. Very excited to see what happens with this gap fill over here at 943. But yeah, other than that, great end to the day. tomorrow will be an interesting day. Wednesday will be the most interesting day, in my opinion, including earnings and FOMC. And I think that's going to determine where the market is going to move for the rest of the month, and probably like early next month. But either way, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.